This pool is clean. Woo-wee, I like it. Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you guys are looking at an awesome product that is made by Aiper. This is their flagship, the Scuba X1 Pro Max. Now, this thing has the capacity to cover 3,200 square feet, giving you the capacity of 8,500 gallons per hour. Now, with the full charge on this particular unit here, you're going to get a total of 10 hours of operation time. The next thing that I also want to mention about this particular unit, this thing is equipped and built in with 40 sensors to map, graph, and have that obstacle avoidance inside your pool. So this is going to clean your floors, it is going to clean your walls, and capture the water lines. It also has an impressive 9 motors that are built into this thing. And best of all, not only does it have your traditional basket for cleaning, what we have right here, we've got a micro filter, which is an accessory that comes along with this. So if you guys happen to be challenged with capturing the algae of your pool, these are replacement screens that you can pull in and out on the fly and to be able to capture the algae that's in the water. So again, awesome product. We're going to dive right in, get this thing dropped into the pool. I'm going to show you how to turn this on with the app. And also, before we go to show it, the stand that it's on right now, this occupies and utilizes a wireless charging pad. So that you don't plug anything into this actual unit itself. It drops right into place. There's a little magnetic pad here that once it sits into place, it's going to drop in and charge. All right. Stay with me on to the next slide. We're going to get this thing ready to go in the water, underwater, and see how it works. So right now we have our device connected onto the Wi-Fi, which operates on a 2.4 gigahertz channel. Now we've got 3 different modes. So the first one that I have there selected, that is the Hero option. So Hero is going to cover all of the pool, everything from the water line, your floor, and the walls. So you can select one or the other, but Hero is going to touch it all. So for right now, we're going to go with our floor. And then this is where you can set it for how much you want cleaning. This gives you all of your parameters. So my pool isn't the dirtiest, but it's also not the cleanest. So I'm just going to have it set for the eco for right now. I'm going to hit start. We're going to throw this thing down in the water and watch this thing work on a fly. So some extra features to show you on the application here. I'm excited to point out, so I showed you the Hero, the floor, and where it says the underwater line. We have walls, water line. One I'm excited about, skimming. According to this, it skims across the top of the water. This is going to be a game changer, and I'm excited to actually do this for the first time because if this is what I think it is, this by far is going to be hands down the game changer on the market because you are not only going to simplify your life, you're going to change your lifestyle when it comes to your pool needs. So here we go. So in the app, there is an option that says recall here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this recall, and we're going to watch the skimmer and see what our Aiper Scuba X1 Pro does. So we hit recall, and it's coming right to the spot that I hit recall and stood at. I gotta admit, this thing is a great device. All right, guys, the Scuba X1 Pro Max. We're gonna officially take a look to see what the full entire wall, floor, waterline, and skimming actually looks like with this particular product right here, because I'm excited since I didn't have to do any of those things. Man. Ooh, buddy. Look at that. Now, the nice thing about this, you've got that tab right here on the bottom, so we can open this up and dump it. So I'm going to go right here to the side. Now, the last part, hitting it with a hose and rinsing. All right, guys, so my first impression, first time usage of the Aiper, the X1 Pro Max, I cannot stress enough how awesome this product actually is. Again, equipped with 40 sensors, 5+3 cleaning modes. It's going to give you unmatched performance with 10 hours of usage. The testament stands behind me. It got the walls, it got the floors, it got the water line, and it skimmed on top of the pool. So for me, the skimming, that is a game changer. The fact that this thing drove across the water like it was a little boat. there is nothing better than that, to actually sit back, have a margarita, and go, that's awesome. So if you guys are looking for not just a game changer, but a new lifestyle, this guy right here, the Aiper, they make a fantastic product. They've got great customer service, the app with 24/7 real-time monitoring, plus all the additional support, the features, the bells and the whistles. You get it all packed into one powerful device. You got to check it out for yourself, because I highly encourage and recommend you trying it, because hands down, the quality of this is legitimate, a flagship Ferrari of pool cleaners. This thing is awesome. This is Dan here at 2DD2 Productions, guys. Give this thing a try. Highly encouraged. Check it out for yourself. Thank you all for watching.